Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm just going to be showing you like some random things that I purchased from Amazon. But some of these might be crafts that you are looking for or interested in yourself. So I just wanted to show you guys. My kids have been in here playing on my dry erase board, so ignore that. Anywho, okay, so one of the things that I purchased, my sons are always wanting to be on the Xbox, the PlayStation, and we got 6 kids. So there's, it's kind of impossible for everybody to be on at the same time. So I just went and purchased a couple of these for my boys. These are the little Game Boy system, and these are like great. They come with 168 games on them. They are only $22. The sound of them is really great. What is that over here? Like it has a bunch of games on it, and it also came with the cord to hook it up to the TV. So they go in their room, they hook it up to the TV, and they're just sitting there gaming. They love it. It's awesome. Another thing that I purchased is I purchased these to do the headbands. This was back when I was really big into like the Minnie Mouse ear headbands. Each one of these are 2 yards a piece, so it is a total of 10 yards. I got the white, I got the multicolor, the rainbow, I guess, pink. This one is gold, and then this one as well. Listen to me, I still plan on making some headbands out of them. That's what I planned on doing. But as you can see, they have not been used yet. Let me slide on over on my Amazon pages. Okay, those were $11.99, and I think it's awesome. They are like it's pretty much like 3 inches wide and 2 yards long. I didn't think you could beat that. Amazon 2-day shipping. Y'all, I got this huge box. I'm so sorry. I'm throwing stuff around. Okay, so hold on. I'm just gonna pause it so I can get everything out. Okay, so you guys know school's gonna be starting. We have been school shopping. So my girls, they love tutus to wear like over their leggings, or even like with a pair of shorts. So we bought them a 6-pack. As you can see, it comes with a ton of colors. It comes with 2 different color pinks, 2 different color purples, a lighter. I don't know if you can tell, but one of them is definitely lighter. One of them is darker. It comes with a white. And then she tried this one on. This is the aqua color. And it looked super, super cute. How much were those tutus, you guys? Let me see. I'm trying to go through and see. Okay, the tutus were $21.99, and that is free shipping. That comes with all six tutus. Okay, so the next thing that I got is this pack of, this is 42 pieces, and these are 6x6, and these are felt. Look at all of those colors, you guys. So pretty. I actually have a project that I'm going to be doing with these, but these were $7.48, free shipping, 2 days as well. And these are just perfect for a project that I got coming up. Now with this, the project I'm going to show you, I have a huge box here of some hats. I got all colors. These is pink and green. These are like the crochet hats. I got yellow, all colors. I have a huge box of 64, you guys. 64 of these. I got these actually off of eBay. What I'm going to be doing is making the hats for the girls this winter. I love these hats, and especially like the mohawks. You can put the yarn and have like a mohawk going down, have like the braids, and sew felt onto it for like little shapes and patterns. You guys, I'm gonna be doing that in the upcoming project. I also bought a pack of these as well. You guys, I needed this like so bad. And this was also just $5.99 because I was trying to make some jewelry, but I was trying to like close it to make like that circle loop, and I didn't have the proper tools to do it. So I had to get this. And then for the jewelry, you guys know if you make jewelry, then you run out of jump rings like super quick. And me going back and forth to like Hobby Lobby and Walmart was just getting expensive. So I just bought a big pack of these off of Amazon, and let me see what the price of these were. This was $6.89, again free shipping. And how much did you get with this? I don't even know. It don't even tell you. Wait, do it tell you? Do it tell you? No, it don't tell you. Let me see. I'm sure it tell you on the website. 18 pieces, 1,800 pieces. Okay, so 1,800 pieces. And then my most favorite thing, I know it's gonna be my favorite. I have not opened it yet. This is a massager. I bought this hoping that it could help with my ankles because y'all, I be on my feet pretty much like all day, running around these kids and doing errands, you know, cleaning. And at the end of the day, y'all, my feet be wore out. I have a foot massager, but it doesn't like get to the ankles. So I'm hoping like if I put these little things like on my ankles, it'll do something. That's what I'm hoping. And like it's supposed to actually feel like, you know, like a thumb is going into it, you know, like somebody is squeezing it, pinching it, like, and then you can do the strength. You guys, I'm excited to use this bad boy. Yay. Okay. You know what? I'm getting too excited. I just want to open it right now. But you know what? I'm getting too excited. And then I did buy two type of clothing. Now you guys know I like wear stuff that's just different. So I did buy me one of those sweatshirts, dresses. I'm gonna say dresses because when I tried it on, it goes way past my knees, like almost to my ankles. Cause you know I'm short. I'm only 5'3", but I love this. When I say this is like good quality, I mean like this is thick as heck. Like this is very thick, and as you can see, it is super, 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 super long. Focus again. Okay, this is super long, and for the price of this, shoot, the price of this was only $11.99, y'all. I was like, I'm gonna go back and get all the colors. This was very, very nice. I loved it, but even more than I love that, you guys, I bought me overalls. I don't know why I can't stay away from overalls, but these overalls are like so comfortable. Like they're so comfortable. I just love them. Now I did buy mine big. I like mine to fit very loose. So if you want yours to fit tight or like just right, I do recommend going down a size. Actually going down. I ordered the large in both of these pieces, and as you can see, the large is very big, but these are supposed to be oversized and baggy anyway. So I got the large. And these things, they have the pockets in the back as well as the pockets on the front. And you guys, when I tried these on, I did not want to take them off. But the straps for the front, it doesn't have any buttons. You actually just take the strap and put it through, and then, you know, tie a little knot in it yourself. But y'all, these things made me feel like a kid again. I just love them. Like I couldn't keep my hands out my pocket. And then I wore it. I just cuffed it instead of, you know, just having it loose. And because like I said, I'm short. So yeah. And then I also have a bunch of other stuff coming. But those are going to be like for new projects and crafts. So they haven't got here yet. But you guys, I'm about to try this out. But I just wanted to share these little odds and ends because I don't know what you guys, you know, might be looking for like this. You guys, I think I'm going to have so much fun with these. I can make jewelry with these as well as, like I said, you know, you cut shapes out. You can sew them onto things. Like I'm going to put them onto the hat. My daughter wants what's that little girl, that pony, Fluttershy, a Fluttershy hat with the, you know, the horse mane and all of that. So I got to get to it. Mama got to make it. So if you guys have any questions at all on any of these items, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon.